Hi, my friends. This is Dr. Prasad Bigli, Assistant Professor, Seoul University College. My previous video, I explained what are the effects, basically negative effects during COVID-19. So, this is my next video will explain you because that video somehow we talk about negativity, the problems, but what is the solution? So in this video, I am going to explain you the solution. That video we talk about effects of means negative effects of corona on human being. What are the problems, psychological problems facing every person as a human being? Problem everyone tell, but what is the solution? That is a very important thing. So today I am going to explain the solutions of as a human being negative effects of corona. What should we do and what should we not do? Repeat again, what should we do, what should we not do? So this video will explain you the solution. So avoid negativity and increase positivity during corona. We need to increase the positivity side, not negativity. The world is not going to finish. I'm again repeating, the world is not going to finish. Every 100 year, new types of pandemic comes. 1720, different 1820, different 1920, different. Check the internet, you will find last 3 to 400 years, every year, before also it used to come, but we don't know because maybe less knowledge of science and all. And you will find out maybe people not panic at that time. You will find 100 year before Spanish flu, 200 year before another pandemic. So this is not a new thing. Every time new virus will come. Like last 20 years, after 20 this 2000th century, you will find swine flu, bird flu, H1N1, lot of things coming. So this is a part of life. So don't be negative. World is not going to finish. Lot of things come. Earthquake come, tsunami come, but world is not going to finish. Only question is that this is a new account of new disease open. And now the people before dying for cancer, HIV, now people will die for corona. Don't think we will be dying. We, you have to be very positivity. So some the points how to become a positive. Do regular exercise. Don't sleep always watching the videos and all. Do little bit exercise in your home. If you cannot go outside, little bit exercise in your home, push-ups or whatever little bit exercise, it will keep fresh your mind. Then concentrate future. Future is not going to finish. You can find the WHO figure is giving millions of people will die, but no, it's 200 to 300,000 right now people die. It's not like that future is going to finish. So concentrate your future. What do you want to do? What is your future plan? Now, health is wealth. Wealth. I'm not saying be careless about this COVID-19. So that's why everywhere you can see the talk is there, either in the allopathy, Ayurvedic, homeopathy, whatever, scientific, all talk about boost your immunity. Eat lot of vitamin C, be regular, your diet, avoid the animal foods, and increase your immunity. Watch positive video. Don't watch the negative video. In the media, always talk about corona, this, corona here, corona there. Avoid to watch this type of videos. Keep away from negativity. Keep away means just try to avoid the people who always talk the negative. I'm telling you my experience. Some of my friends always talk about corona negative. I totally avoid to talk to them. So keep this type of negative people. Boost your network. Just This is a time to boost your network, means good network, not bad network. Don't increase the network of funny chats or some nonsense network. Just boost your good people, knowledgeable people, good people. I give the example. Somehow I like to be alone, self-oriented person because I am an academic, do read my books, always concentrate on this. But nowadays I am trying to boost up my network. Network means some of my old colleagues, some of my old friends, now they are in good positions or somehow very knowledgeable people. Not only the positions, they are positive people, good knowledgeable people. So I am built my network with them. Spare time with family. Just give your spare time with family. Spare time with your mother, father, your wife, kids. Suppose you are living alone. Take example like I am living alone here. My family not with me, so I just talk to them whenever I have time. Just talk about other thing apart from corona. You can do also the same thing. This is somehow very important. Keep continuous your hobby. See whatever your hobby, just be continue. Don't like do that to keep away your hobby. Suppose you have a gardening hobby in your home, you have garden, you can go out, inside your garden, do gardening. Some people have a hobby to roaming, so this is not possible to do the roaming, but you can take your car, if it's allowed closed, the means take precaution, wearing the precaution kit, gloves and whatever, and you can, if it is allowed, you can go to long drive. And whatever your hobby, singing, dancing, do like that. Concentrate on your work. Please concentrate on your work also. Don't be lazy for your work. Don't disconnect with the world. Lot of people I find to see any other human being, they feel his enemy. No, 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 it's not like that. So don't disconnect with the world. Don't spare too much time on social networking and videos, because social networking and videos you will become the habitual. So please avoid too lot of time to spend in social network. I see before also some people always busy in Facebook. Frankly, to be speaking, I never spend time in social network, either WhatsApp, Facebook. Whenever it's required, I do it. So, this is somehow avoid negativity and increase positivity during Corona. I am the management person. I am not a allopathic doctor or Ayurvedic doctor. So I can give the tips as a manage your life. Lot of some positive video I watch. I will give the reference of Dr. H.M. Hegde or some well-known doctors. Even somehow criticize this Vishwarup Rai Chaudhary, like he is talking about negativity and all. Whatever it is, this type of video somehow fresh your mind to tell you corona is nothing. So we need to be positive about that. And as I told you, please watch positivity and please follow this point. Thank you very much.